Hello, welcome. In this video, I will be changing string G from my ukulele. I had a subscriber, Shannon, thank you so much. I had a subscriber send me a string G for this one so we can change it to a low version. So hopefully this will turn out okay. No! If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know by giving this video a like. So they come with like little stickers on them, and there's a guide here that says like which one is which. So I guess we are replacing all of them. I'm gonna leave this string on here for a second because I want to copy the knot when I do the other ones. Okay, so G is the black one. So let's pull this puppet out. Because this is a low G string, it is so thick. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna fit in here? What if it doesn't fit, you guys? It fit. I was getting dramatic. I think I knotted it the same way as the other one. Professor Gravel, if you're watching this, don't judge me. No! The nut to my uke just came off. You know the little like la cosita, like the little, ay, ¿cómo se llama esto? Where your string is supposed to sit like on the nut? Well, this one is made thin for a thin string to fit in it, not for a thick one. What do I do? I'm gonna get some scissors and this could go horribly wrong. Oh my goodness, I hope this is not a fail video. Hold on, I'm gonna get some scissors or something sharp to try to make that little wedge a little thicker. Hold on a second. Maybe I'm gonna name this video Learn From My Fail. Like, duh, of course, Bernie, of course the nut is not gonna be the same width there. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to fall off either though. That took me by surprise for sure. Imagine I was sanding the wrong side. Okay, I think I've got the nut sanded down enough to make this string fit. So now I'm going to just add the string on here. I'm gonna put them all on and then I'll wedge the nut back in and see if that works. I did not expect this video to go so wrong. I thought it was just gonna be, okay, you know, we're gonna change the strings. Okay, they're changed. But no, today was not gonna be that easy, I guess. Man, these strings are messier than my hair. Work with me. Work with me. Okay, so there's the preliminary string positioning. Now I'm just gonna tighten and you know what? Today we're just learning from Bernie's fail. That's what it is. So if you're gonna change your G string, you need to find out if the nut even will fit, and if it won't, I'll have some resources down below telling you how to make it work the right way, because I'm sure I didn't do it the right way. I'm sure there are better ways to do this. Okay, now I've gotten it kind of close to the right tuning. Let me see. And it's sounding so good. I am kind of upset that I did not do this sooner. It sounds so good. So now to kind of help with the tuning, I'm gonna tune up a half a step. And I'm only doing that because I feel like the tension is not that like hard where it would pop a string. So I'm gonna go up half a step on all of the strings to tighten them. On A string, I'm gonna stay there because that one does feel a little bit tight. Yeah, okay. So now I'm kind of just gonna slide down, holding a really tight bar. Push down a little bit. Don't go crazy with this. Just a little bit. And then pull a little bit here. Just a little bit. All of these, like, don't do it if it feels too tight. Like, if it feels too tight, then just work up the tuning slowly. I love it! Yes, do it. Go out and buy these strings right now. This is awesome. I love it. I'm gonna leave these here, not for decoration or for Kit Kat, but I'm gonna leave these until I feel like it's stretched. I'll play with it all week and stretch and tune at least 4 times a day. And then you'll probably see me do tutorials using this one now. Oh, it's so exciting. I love it. I may hit up a music store nearby and see if they have a nut with the correct spacing, because I do want it to be done the right way. This, I just did it to improvise for this video, but I would like for it to have the right fit, you know what I mean? Tell me that doesn't sound awesome. So obviously, I mean, I like having another ukulele with the standard tuning, but now that I have this one, I feel like it's just gonna sound so cool with different things. And then jamming with friends, we'll have that low G. So yes, go out and buy this right now. Order it, whatever you need. I'll add a link below. This is really cool. I love it. I highly recommend it. Obviously, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. It was sent by a subscriber. Thank you so much, Shannon. I owe you big time. I love it. Yeah, if there's any other accessories or tools or little things you want me to try on the channel, let me know. Drop a link down below. I'll order it and we can do a video and you can learn from my fail. Maybe I should add a playlist and name it that, Learn From My Fail. And that way we get to test out cool products that are meant for our instruments without all of us spending money and all of us failing as miserably as I have tonight. So yeah, let me know if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and drop me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Would you actually buy it? Do you like the sound of it? Anyway, I'm happy, I love it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Sayonara!